Okay, my Amazon package came in. Oh, it's so heavy. It's a bunch of glass spice jars. I wanted to get a bit more organized with my spices. I just bought a spice rack off of Amazon, and I'll link that in the description below which kind I got. But I wanted to basically take all my spices. Obviously, I have more than this, but I just brought a few out. I wanted to take all my spices and put them in a glass jar. I'll make it look more cohesive, and then I'll have matching labels. So the package just came in, so let's unbox it. Okay, now that we've taken the contents out, I actually got three different sizes. I got the 4 ounce size, which is it's the regular size spice jars that you always see. So I got the 4 ounce, 6 ounce, and 8 ounce size. So let's unbox these boxes. Let's start with this one first. All right. Okay, well, let's see. So aluminum lids. There's been some complaint from reviewers on this jar that some of the lids have come scratched. These lids feel really lightweight, very thin, not too heavy, not much weight to it at all. I don't know enough about metals to say that it is made cheaply or what, but right now, as long as it seals tight and keeps the spices fresh, is what we want. So let me see sizes we got. I believe these are the 6 ounce. Actually, it might be the 8 ounce. Let me see. Okay, these are the 8 ounce, 6 ounce, and lastly, we'll do the 4 ounce. Okay, this is the 4 ounce. So we have 4, 6, and 8. I got the larger one just in case I wanted to put like cinnamon sticks or bay leaves in here. This will be a good space saver to stick them all in here and keep them cohesive. I'm not sure which one I'm going to do with this one yet. Probably just spices that I have a lot of, or I can double up on spices for these. Some that I use a lot, maybe like salt and pepper. And then the 4 ounce will be good for things I don't use as often. So with each box, oh, sorry, I forgot to mention that this comes in a quantity of 14, 14, and 8. So in each box comes with, put this off to the side real quick. Plastic little shakers, so you can just stick this right on top of the container. So I have the 4 ounce one right now. And you'll simply just take it and then snap it on. It should snap on. There it goes. That was really easy. And then it says lift to pour, so you can lift this up. There it goes. So you have to kind of break it away from the plastic. But okay, so you'll lift this back if you want more of the spice, or if you just want a little bit, there's little holes here that you can just kind of shake out the spice. So let's see it with the cap put on. It feels tighter. It still feels very cohesive. Yeah, it seems like it's a well-made product. So they also came. It also came with this little funnel that's adjustable, so you could pour in your spices easier. It feels like it's made out of rubber, so it doesn't feel too dinky or anything. So we'll keep that to the side, and then it also came with labels. So let me grab that. Let's see if I can find that to show you guys. Okay, so with each box, it does come with labels. You have your choice of black, or it looks like a little bit of a gray for the text and then black for the background, which I was hoping it would be white and black, but that is fine, I guess. In the reviews, it has mentioned that sometimes the sheets are not consistent, so I'm just going to double check real quick to make sure that all these are the same color. Just like, looks like there is, and then there's a sheet of blank circles. You can take your own little chalk or marker and write in custom spices yourself, maybe the ones that they haven't provided. What was neat is that I also saw that it has ones with numbers. So there's a number 3, a number 2, and then number 1 is here somewhere. Okay, there's number 6. So it's just basically going through the numbers of 1 through 6 for how many sheets there are. There's a number 1. So that's helpful if you just need to label something with numbers or in a sequential order or whatnot. So we'll put that off to the side, and then they also have these clear labels right here, which I thought was pretty neat. It looks like it's a serif type of font. Serif typeface, I'm sorry for all you graphic designers out there. It's typeface, not font. Let me grab this. I'm having trouble. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. I'm a little clumsy, so I have to be careful, extra careful in the life of Felicia. So you have these clear text, if you can see. Has more labels. The same type of spices as you see on the black labels. These are just clear. And then it comes with a little pamphlet. It says a magnetic measurement conversion chart, and it's a magnet. See the magnet strip on the back? Isn't that cool and helpful? Okay, so just to kind of conclude, we got 3 different sizes on our jars. We have the 8 ounce, 6 ounce, and 4 ounce. Comes with little plastic lids for pouring, so we'll keep that out. You got your little funnel right here, and then you have your magnetic piece right here for the conversion chart, and then your clear labels, and then your black labels. So basically, that's all. There's 3 boxes. I ordered 3. You don't have to. You can order as many as you'd like. I just think I'm going to try this out, see what works for my spice rack, and then you'll also see stills of the finished product with everything installed and organized with the shelf and the spice containers in my Instagram. If you follow happiness.co, you'll see stills of that there. I'll post it there.